Now let's answer 10 math questions. But every item, pause nyo ang video para you can answer it first bago nyo makita yung solution natin. Now let's start number 1. 40% of 5 is equal to what? Note, ang of, ibig sabihin, multiplication is, ibig sabihin, equal. Tapos yung 40%, pag ginawa mo ng decimal, always divide 100%, and that is 0.4. Or just move 2 decimal place, and that is 0.4. So, ganito na siya. 40% of 5 is equal to, so 40% times 5, 0.4 times 5, that is 2. And our answer is A. Next, in a shipment of computers, 2/25 or 2/25 of the computers are defective. What is the ratio of defective to non-defective computers? At ganito ang pag-analyze nito. 2/25 of the computers are defective. Ibig sabihin, yung dalawa sa 25 ang defective. So, ibig sabihin, 25 minus 2 equals 23. So, yung 23 ay non-defective. Ang ratio ng defective versus non-defective, defective dalawa, ang hindi defective is 23. So, or, this is 2/23. So, ang answer ay letter B. Next, which of the following is divisible with no remainder or without remainder by 6? How to answer this as fast as you can para hindi ka maubusan ng oras? Ganito ang rule ng divisible by 6. If the sum of the digits, sum sa digits niya, is divisible by 3, and the last digit is divisible by 2. Sa choices, ang mga last digit muna, ito ang divisible by 2. Last digit ba? Divisible by 2. So, erase mo na yan. Mag-focus tayo sa choices B, C, and E. Next, kapag itong lahat ng sum of the digits is divisible by 3, bali, i-add natin yung sa B, C, E. I-add natin yung mga digits niya, 32. 32 is not divisible by 3. Itong letter E, i-add natin lahat, 22 is not divisible by 3. Ang C, i-add natin lahat, 21, it is divisible by 3. So, ang sagot is letter C. Next, number 4. A solution is made of water and pure orange. If 80% of the solution is water, how many liters of pure orange are in 25 liters of this solution? 80% water daw. So, 20% ay pure orange. Paano nangyari yan? Always 100% tayo. Yung buong solution na yan. Yung solution na yan, always 100% yan. So, minus 80% yung water. So, 20% ang pure orange. Ngayon, ano ang 20% of 25? That is 0.2 times 25, and that is 5. So, ang answer dito ay letter D. At ito yung detalye. 80% water, 100 minus 80, that is 20% pure water. Ang solution natin is 20% of 25 liters is pure orange. So, ang answer ay 5. Question. What is the average of 7/8 and 3/4? Pause nyo muna ang video, answeran nyo. Now, let's answer this. Ang average, ibig sabihin, i-add mo yan at i-divide mo ng 2. Adding fractions, dapat pareho yung denominator. So, itong 3/4, 6/8 ang equivalent niya. Ano ang minomultiply mo sa baba, yun din ang minomultiply mo sa taas. mayroon tayong separate video on how to find least common denominator. So, ito na yun. 7/8 plus 6/8. Kopyahin mo lang si denominator, ang i-add mo yung numerator. So, 13/8. 13/8 divided by 2. Para mas klaro, i-rewrite natin ang ganito. Mag-apply tayo ng rule of dividing fractions. So, fraction kasi ito. So, itong 2 naman ay may imaginary na 1 as denominator. Always whole numbers, mayroon yang 1 na denominator. Ngayon, itong division na to change into multiplication. Tapos, reciprocal ng 2 ay 1/2. Now, we can do multiplication. So, 13 times 1 is 13. 8 times 2 is 16. So, ito yung sagot. Ang sagot ito ay letter E. Now, pause the video again and answer this first. If -6 over open parenthesis a minus 3 close parenthesis equals 3 over open parenthesis a plus 2 close parenthesis, then a is equals to what? Ganito ang gawin natin. Ito si 6 over a minus 3 equals 3 over a plus 2. Do cross multiply. Ito, ilagay mo dito. Ito naman, ilagay mo dyan. Ma-multiply na siya. At ito ang mangyayari dito. Dahil ito, nilagay mo na dito, at itong isa, nilagay mo na dito, yan na yon. I-multiply mo siya, and that is negative 6a. Tapos ito, i-multiply mo dito, and that is 12, negative 12. Now, 3 times a is 3a. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Ngayon, ipagsama natin ang mga like terms. Ito mga like terms, ipagsama natin. So, nandito na siya. Bakit naging negative yan? Kasi bago mo siya i-transpose dito sa kabila, mag-minus ka ng 3a dito. Kung anong ginawa mo dyan, ganun din ang gagawin mo dito. So, nag-minus 3a ka para makancel na siya. So, nandito ang minus 3a mo. Ito namang si negative 12 dito, itong si 12 minus 12, pag mag-transpose ka sa kabila, magiging positive siya kasi nag-plus 12 ka dyan para makancel si 12 dito at nandito na si plus 12. So, negative 6a minus 3a, that is negative 9a, equals yung negative 9 plus 12, and that is 3. So, i-transpose mo itong si negative 9, ito na siya, and ito na yung final answer. Kasi ginawa mo lang siyang lowest term. So, the answer is letter A. Next, a company makes a profit equals to 25% of its sales. The profit is shared equally among the 4 owners of the company. If the company generates sales of $2 million, how much money does each of the owners get? Paano ito? Una, 25% sa sales. Yung sales nila is 2 million. Yung 2 million na yan, multiply mo muna ng 25%. 25% or 1/4 ng 2 million, yan yung i-divide ng 4 owners. And this is equals to 500,000. Itong 500,000 na to, yan yung i-divide ng 4. So, that is 125,000. So, letter A ang sagot. Number 8. Pause this video again. If A is equals to 3, then 2 over, open parenthesis, 1/7 plus 1 over A, close parenthesis, is equals to what? So, ang ibig sabihin nito is 2 over 1/7 plus 1 over, ang A is equals to 3, so 1/3. Now, let's solve first ang nasa loob ng parenthesis. And this is, ang 2 nandyan lang, 21 ang least common denominator nila. Mayroon tayong separate video para dyan. So, this is 3 plus 21 and this is 7. So, kung i-add mo yan, si 2 nandyan pa, dito na lang, ganito na lang para mas klaro, and that will be 10 over 21. Now, apply the rule of dividing fraction. So, ito, kopyahin lang natin, ang division magiging multiplication at reciprocal nito, 21 over 10. And this will be 42 over 10. I-lowest term natin siya, and this will be 21 over 5. So, ang sagot ay letter A. Now, let's do number 9. If A plus B squared equals 25, and A minus B squared equals 45, then A squared plus B squared is equals to what? Ang unang gawin natin ay ito. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Ang sagot dito. And this is 25. Next natin gagawin ay ito. This is A squared minus 2AB plus B squared equals 45. Ito yon. I-cancel natin, i-add up natin siya, ipagsama natin itong dalawang equation na to, pagsama natin. Mag-add tayo, total pwede man siyang ma-cancel yan. Kung mag-add tayo, ma-cancel yan nasa gitna. Magiging 2A plus B squared and equals, nag-add tayo, nag-combine tayo ng dalawang equation and this is 70. Ngayon, ito yung 2A squared plus 2B squared equals 70. Ang tanong, A squared lang at saka si B squared lang. Di hatiin mo ng dalawa, i-divide mo siya ng 2. So, magiging A squared na lang at saka B squared na lang at mahati din ito ng 2 and this is 35. So, ang sagot ay 35. Now, let's do number 10. My ever-favorite PEMDAS. So, when solving two or more operations. Sa mga operation, ito yung subtraction, addition, multiplication, at itong nasa loob ng parenthesis. These are operations. When two or more operations, so more than one ang operations dito, we should apply PEMDAS or the rule of PEMDAS or order of operations ang tatawagin. Or otherwise, shortcut ng PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Ang rule ng PEMDAS, 4 lang po ang steps niyan. Number 1 step, groupings or parentheses or lahat ng nasa loob ng parentheses, isolve mo na according pa rin sa rule. Next, exponent at lahat ng mga klaseng mga square root, mga ganyan yan yun. Next, ito yung first step, second step, third steps, itong si M at si D. Equal lang si M at si D, kaya kung alin ang mauna sa kanila, kung mauna si division, then do division. Kung mauna si multiplication, so do multiplication. Yan yung rule. Then, next steps, ito yung third step. Next is fourth steps. Kung alin ang mauna, kung nauna si addition, so do addition. Kung nauna si subtraction, do subtraction. Sa given, ang nasa loob ng parenthesis ay, ang nauna ay division bago ang multiplication. So, we will do division first. 10 divided by 5, that is 2. And 2 times 2, that is 4. Ngayon, magtatanong kayo, nasa loob pa siya ng parenthesis? No, wala ka ng operation sa loob ng parenthesis. Ibig sabihin, tapos ka na sa loob ng parenthesis. So, considered it as wala na siya sa loob ng parenthesis. Na mag-proceed na tayo ngayon sa next rule. Ang nandito, multiplication. So, multiplication ang uunahin natin kasi mas mataas siya sa subtraction at saka addition. Now, nag-multiply na tayo and that is 8. Next, ang rule. Subtraction and addition, pareho lang sila. Kaya, kung alin ang nauna from left to right, nauna ang subtraction, unahin natin yan. 10 minus 2, that is 8. I-carry down mo yan, carry down mo yan. So, dito sa dalawa, nauna naman ang addition. Unahin din natin yan, and that is 16. 16 minus 4, that is 12. So, ang answer dito ay 12.